What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe payment gateway for other websites. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply give it a click. After clicking, you will be redirected to this landing page of Stripe. Now from here, if you are new to Stripe, on the right side, you will see here the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have a Stripe account, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply click on the dashboard. Now, after coming to the dashboard, look for the payment links section. You will find it under the payments, or if you have recently used it, you will find it here. Click on this payment link section and then you will see the option to add a new product. On the right side, click on new. So now from here, you need to add a new product. Write the name of your product. And as you can see, after the name, you need to write some of the description and then you can upload the images of your product. And here are some more options like charge the right amount of tax on every product with Stripe. And here you can write the statement descriptor, a unit label of your product, the metadata information, and then the marketing feature list. And when you are done, you just need to set the price. I'll just set it to $120. This is Australian dollar. You can change the currency according to your need. And after that, when you are done, click on add product. And then you will see the product has been added to the catalog. And then if you want to add another product, click on add another product and then you can add another product. Now here are some of the options. If you want them, you can just simply check the checkbox according to your requirements. And here are some more advanced options. If you want these too, you can check them according to your requirements. When you are done, click on create link on the right side at the top and your product link will be created, and this is how you can integrate your Stripe payment gateway on your products. That's all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.